Wait, guys, I want you to summon the moon, the eyeball, and try to water run in zero gravity. It's weird. Hold on, wait. I did it. I just did it. Hold on, wait. That guy over there can't even water run. It's too hard. It looks like he's pendulum swinging. Bro, like what? Like, bro, we're literally the floaties right now. We're a floaty. I'm not even trying to go this way. The gravity is messed up. Guys, I also did a video on water running inside of zero gravity. Bro, what? How does this work? How am I even managing to? Like, what? Let me try one more time. Hold up. Bro. Bro, what? Wait, he wants to see me fly. Hold up. Bro. Whee! Aw. Well, let me show you guys my actual water running speed. Okay. Better hurry up before it's too late. It's too late.